Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today you can talk about LEVEX. It's an exchange I've never covered before, but something I really am super bullish about. I love their welcome bonuses, but also everything about their dashboard. This is a real top tier exchange, up and coming new exchange. Get a lot of people getting a lot of visibility about it. So a lot of people joining, and I can see why, because it really is the next generation exchange. I really do like it. It's like my one exchange now I'm using for my trading because it's better than the rest that I've covered before. That's my personal opinion. I find it really easy to do the trades. That's what I really do like. So you see on the screen, levex.com. Now, I do have a referral link below to support the channel. I do appreciate everyone supports the channel, so please use my link. Once I've done the review of the video, see what you think and join the exchange. It's never financial advice. I always state that. Trading, as you know, can be high risk. So again, do your own research. This is a top tier exchange, as I say. I love everything about it. You can see on here it goes down. Now, again, basically a couple of years ago, got launched. It's making great progress, huge strides, and I really do like what they're doing. Really impressed by the layout. I love the dashboard, very easy to lay out. Different from any other exchanges, what they offer. Again, that makes it really good to see. Now, again, to go through this, start trading with. Obviously, they've got their app as well, which you can use, or just on your PC like normal, and they make it extremely easy to get started. They've got over 290 plus trading pairs and join discussions, tournaments, and strategy sharing with fellow traders. So again, they make it very easy to trade. And you've got the people you can rely on to show you the trading as well. Okay, and that's really good. Also, the top trending pairs you can see there. You can imagine the big, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum. That's what you expect. And why people trust LEVEX, you can see here. Now, to me, extremely important is their reserves. Now, that to me is extremely important. Okay. Now, when you go on there, there's a link at the bottom of the site. Basically, it gives you here proof of reserves. At LEVEX, we maintain a one-to-one reserve of all account assets on our platform and regularly perform proof of reserve reports. This is extremely important. Now, it's called to that. They've also got the Merkle root trash, which again proves it, and also verify your own assets on there, again, which is great to see. Now, obviously, we've had a lot of issues with exchange over the last few years. Obviously, people are fully aware with the exchange with crash. We've covered many times on this channel. So even the big exchanges have gone, which has shocked a lot of people. So again, you want an exchange, you've got to have the proof reserves. You really want to see that, and also verify your own assets, which they claim to have on your Zoom. You want to prove they've actually got them, okay? Because again, people have got quite negative about some exchanges, but when they do a proof of reserves, it gives that reassurance. Now, me personally, I know a lot of horrendous stories where people have lost their keys, their password, and they can't access their funds on a cold wallet. So you've got to balance it up. But when you get LEVEX, which has got massive, strong security, plus with a Google 2FA, strong password, etc., anti-phishing codes, that's what you want in exchange, okay? So I'm just kind of leaning towards, I do store on exchanges and I do store on here. I'm happy with that when they've got the proof reserves and all the security levels on top of it. And plus you get your pass keys as well, okay? So you can see the latest reserve ratio there. You can see it all there. Absolutely fantastic, which is great to see. And then go in there, what is the Merkle tree? As I said, but I've covered that before, the Merkle tree. It's basically a cryptographic structure ensures data integrity by concerning large amounts of information in a single Merkle root. So you get all the information of LEVEX into that one bit into the Merkle tree. So you can do that report anytime you want. Again, that's really good to see. So proof reserves, absolutely imperative. It truly is. Now, also certified as well by, there you can see. So website CER, and they basically certify exchanges and go through. Now, they've actually got an A rating, which again is absolutely fantastic. And that's the leading crypto cyber security auditor. Okay, and that's extremely important. And they say they're so high amongst trading platforms. So again, that gives that reassurance. Talk about other people, some big YouTubers there, Crypto Zombie, for example, using this as well. So you can see the other people using it. So again, a lot of people embracing this as well. Go through the dashboard, the basic part of their front page, you can see, download the apps. You can see all there where it's covered as well. But also, how to create an account LEVEX. Now, I've said this many times before. So basically, hit the link below to support the channel, as I say. Hit that, strong password, join it, deposit, extremely easy. Now, how does LEVEX protect my data? And this is becoming really apparent to many people. They really want that reassurance, as I was saying. LEVEX uses advanced encryption methods, firewalls, and secure data storage to protect your data. We also comply with GDPR and other data protection regulations. Are they safe? Again, we talk about reserve, obviously, take that apart from that. They also implement multi-signature wallets, cold storage, and regular penetration testing by CR Live. The exchange gave them the A rating. Okay. Again, it talks about what makes a difference. Obviously, hundreds of exchanges literally out there now. Which is where the difference they say, and this is again, I've used their platform, I can see the difference in many other exchanges. Okay, unlike platforms with basic forms, our upcoming community features will include strategy sharing from verified profitable traders, collaborative analysis tools and direct mentorship opportunities. So again, the training as well. So again, that is really good. And the support is absolutely fantastic. I'll verify that there. The dashboard is absolutely wonderful. And I truly do like that. Now, if you join LEVEX, they do some wonderful welcome bonuses, and it truly is. You basically earn your also your first deposit, your first trade, etc. And it goes through. Get started. See 250 LEV BTC instantly upon sign up. Locked BTC unlocks through the 30 days trading challenge. Trade $10,000 plus to start unlocking. Okay, and you start getting some huge bonuses. Okay, explore quest. Complete for fantastic prizes and LEVEX tournaments. The fact they do trading tournaments is really good. Embraces the community, gives that competition level people like. And obviously, if you do become the top trader, then obviously it gives you a lot of visibility yourself. Okay, again, goes in there about all the different starts you can do, all the different welcome bonuses, and it goes through there. And again, how you actually get your bonus, and basically your bonus straight away. It stays there. Okay, which is really good. Now, another bit that always state on any exchange is you've got to have the function to deposit your fiat to convert into crypto. This is definitely on here, which is absolutely fantastic. I've used it. It works absolutely fine. Now, you can see you've got Mercurio, which I've used before. You've got your Visa, your MasterCard, the Google Pay, but also SEPA, which is really good. That's the European bank transfer. So, that, again, that is absolutely fantastic. But where this is different from Joy of Exchange, you also sell your crypto into those as well, which is, again, fantastic. You can sell there. You put it in there, you can sell it into one of those as well. So the fact they've got the sell option to fiat is a real game changer for me, because very few exchanges offer that. You can buy crypto pretty much on most exchanges nowadays, but selling it is extremely difficult. So again, the fact they offer that option makes it a one-stop shop for your crypto. Okay, and again, I really do like that. It really takes it to the next level. Okay, I really do like that. And also talking about bonus and stuff, they do a lot of posts on X. They're active daily, literally, and they're giving out a lot of rewards. Okay, states there. Have an eye for detail. Great. Get LEVEX. Get your sign-up bonuses. I mentioned 250 LEV BTC. Trade and notes. Anything we can improve on those small issues. Get paid again. $15,000 in rewards. Now, that is really good. Now, going through the rest of the dashboard, I'm going to cover this more in depth in other videos because it's too much to cover in one video. The video we have a 20 minutes long, for example. You know, people don't want that. So, if you trade and track crypto, convert your crypto, and obviously buy crypto like previously. So, now the trading is really good. The USD pairs and USDC pairs. But the futures is, look, USD perpetuals, coin in perpetuals, and trading data, real time and historical trading data. That's really good. That's important. Now, the feed, they do a lovely blog, frequently asked questions, support, and help. So you've got that support option, especially if you're new to crypto. Always state you want to help, just email me, info@cryptostrang.com. Hit me out on the social media links. Come join us at our Telegram group. Anyone to help us use, just don't hesitate to reach out. I appreciate if you're new to crypto, it's a hell of a minefield. It was the same for me when I joined in 2016, when I first joined my first exchange, Bittrex, which is unfortunately long gone. You know, back in them days, it was a real minefield, and it took me a while to get my head around. Now it's easy because I've been doing crypto for so long, but obviously I'm fully aware just getting crypto how difficult it is. So if this is your first time getting involved with crypto, you've heard about the bull market, for example, and the subsequent bear market where you accumulate, this is your time to get involved with crypto. So that's a really good thing. They've got the support and help. Now, the rules hub, like we showed, that's really good. And also you've got your orders, your deposit, you've got your wallet, you've got all everything you need here. So it really is an absolute great opportunity here. Now, I love using the trade options on here. Again, I've got to do videos about that. I'm going to go more in depth about the dashboard itself. Now, look out for other videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like. I really do believe in this exchange. I want that one solid exchange used all the time, because I've used various other exchanges for low cap gens, for example, but I want the one with the top end trading, the next gen exchange, okay? And they really are raising the bar here at LEVEX. So again, I really do like that. So thanks very much. As I say, don't hesitate to reach out if anyone needs help. It's a wonderful time to be in crypto, it truly is. So thanks very much. There will be a lot more videos on LEVEX. Thanks very much. Cheers now.